Hariom Swamiji. Swamiji, I have two questions. Question one is that, so I do meditations in the morning and evening, and I do listen to some talks on YouTube channels of various speakers like Chinmay Session and other enlightened people. So see, my doubt is that when you start to do meditation, you begin to have a dispassion for other things like the job you are doing or the daily activities you are doing. So a kind of insincerity come into your actions towards your other jobs. Like you are not sincere. What kind of, because you think that it's all Maya. It's not something which will continue. So you kind of do what is the basic necessity of any action that you are doing, which is not taking you to the spiritual path. So sometimes I get into that confusion that will it hamper my job when I'm growing in my career, or it will hamper, then it's a good thing or a bad thing, because I'm not updating myself, or I'm doing what I'm asked, but I'm not putting that extra effort for that particular job which I have, right? Because I think that that's not something. It's all Maya. So I have that confusion, Swamiji. So how should I overcome, or is it the right way, or should it happen in this path when you're meditating?
So it should not happen in this path. Meditation will never take us away from life. It is a wrong notion about detachment and about the understanding of the world that is creating this problem. It is not meditation that is creating this problem. The clarity must be there that there is a relative reality to this world. We have thought of it as absolutely real, so we say it is Maya. It does not mean this does not exist or it is not important. The example best to understand this is the actor and the role. The actor knows very well that this role is not reality, but the actor gives the best performance to it because that's the role that actor is playing. That this is my profession, this is a role I have to play, and I will do my best, whatever role I am playing as an actor. But I know I am different from this actor. I am a person who is playing multiple roles, and I am different from all the roles. So that's what Vedanta is telling us. Play all the roles, but know deep down that these roles are momentary, and try to understand who you are while playing these roles. If I don't play my roles properly, that insincerity or that confusion that comes in will hamper my spiritual progress also. So it is not that if I think all this is Maya, then I will develop great dispassion and I will realize the truth. Dispassion comes from clarity that these are roles, I have to play my roles. And the craving for pleasure, the craving for sense enjoyments and gratification, dependency on results, that has to reduce. That is called Vairagya. Vairagya doesn't mean I will not do my duties well. Great people like Shankaracharyaji's life, if you see how much work they have done. If they thought all this is Maya, they would have never done. They knew this is Maya, but they still played the role of reviving Sanatana Dharma, establishing temples, setting up mathas, debating with people, establishing the beauty of Advaita. Vivekananda Ji, Gurudev, Samarth Ramdas, all these great masters have done so much. But they were anchored in dispassion. So dispassion is not that one will not do the duty. That is a wrong notion about dispassion. That is called disinterestedness. That is tamoguna. Dispassion is sattvaguna. Dispassion comes from the clarity that I have some relative identities. Till now, I thought I am only these relative identities. I didn't know that there is something else. My true nature is something else. That clarity has to come. And then meditation is to experience that state of who I am. It will never take me away from my duties, actually. If something is taking away from my duties, it is some confusion or ignorance in my mind, which I have to think clearly and sort out.